So now I'm ready to start to build my project. Now, prior to building my project, I may want to create an outline on a Google Doc to help me think about what locations I want to visit, and also maybe what descriptions or digital tools I'm going to want to tie to this actual project. So first thing I'm going to do is go to New Feature, and it gives me a couple of options. Search to add a place mark, draw a line, or full screen slide. I'm going to start with a slide because I want to have a title slide to my presentation, and I may want to also create these slides as transitions throughout my project. So just like Google Slides, I'm going to title it. I could also add a description, so this is going to show on the slide. Now that I have a brief description, I want to add maybe a background color. So I could pick the color, or I could add a background image. So I have a Bitmoji selected, so I'm just going to select that. And I could see what it looks like, so I could preview it. And obviously, this may be distracting, so it may not be the best choice. So what I might do is just go with a solid color. I could also go to custom colors and adjust it. Close that, and I'm going to preview it. And there you go. You can see my title slide, and that's how I'm going to start. Now, if I don't like the title slide, I can always delete it out with this option, or I could also always move it when I add other features.